Okay, ma'am. Good morning. In today's class, we will see the remaining topics of or the remaining processing of all page shortest path using uh, virtual algorithm. That is a Floyd virtual algorithm. So this is the example we have seen earlier, and we calculated up to when k equals to 2. I'm again quickly explaining how we are processing this one. Means we need to calculate all page shortest path. All page means in previous two examples, whether you are using Dijkstra's or the Bellman-Fold algorithm, what we are doing, we are allowing to take the source, the minimum distance to traverse to the remaining destinations. At a time, we are calculating only one source here. Means for one source, we are calculating. But in this representation, we are calculating all paths, means from not only the single vertex or the not only the selected vertex, from all the vertices. Means how many vertices here it is having in this example? 5. These 5 vertices has to be calculated at once, and we need to update. There should be a path from that vertex to the other vertex, and what we are doing, we are using intermediate vertex here, not intermediate vertices, only intermediate vertex here. So we should draw or we should specify the graph in such way, and we are having two matrix representations, which is the storing the distance, and which is storing the parent from where it has been, from where the link has been taken here. Initially, when k equals to 0, what it means, when the k equals to 0 means when there is no any intermediate node, we need to get only the source node and the destination node only. Well, that is specified as a k equals to 0. For k equals to 0, we need to take the weight of ij as it is only from the graph here, and fill the remaining apart from the these self loops. Means we need to take these diagonal values as a 0 and the remaining values as a infinity. Means in previous examples also, what we have done, we just initialized, we don't know the traversing path, the edge cost for this reaching that destination. So here what we do, initially we need to specify it as a infinity. After calculating the minimum distance, means for by iterating many times, what it is doing, it is providing that the infinity has to be replaced by the minimum distance. Now, if there is any minimum distance rather than that, what you have to do, we need to update the value by that only. Okay. And coming to the k equals to 1, we need to calculate the distance factor. So the distance factor here is, we need to specify for what we need to calculate the distance. So here, as like the earlier class, first what you have to do, we need to plot what the values we are having. Means edges it is having initially. So I am plotting for the one. For the one, we are having the 3 outgoing edges, which is for the first one, 2 is using 3, and then 1, which is for 3 using 8, and then 1, 2, 5, which is using minus value, that is a negative value, minus 4. And coming to the second one is having the 2 edges, 4, which is equals to 1, 2 to 5, which is equals to 7. And coming to the third one is having 2 edges, 3, 2, which is equals to 4, 3, 4, which is equals to minus 5. Whether 4 is having an incoming outgoing edge or not, it is having only one outgoing edge, which is for the 1, which is equal to 2 here. And the last one here is 5. 5 is having 4 edge, 4, which is having the value, that is a 6. So here we need to calculate the value for the process. So what is the value we need to take here when k equals to 1? Initially, we plotted the values what we have got in that matrix. So here when k equals to 1, for what I need to calculate the distance where I need to specify there. So here we need to see adjacency list consists of the nodes, that is links to the nodes or not. Here there are the three such links, which are the 2, 3 and 5. Okay, and we are calculating the 5 also, 5 here. Why? Because here we didn't have the positive value to reach that one. It is having the negative value. When k equals to 1 means whenever we are using the intermediate node 1, what happens here? We need to consider that there should be a path which is a minimum one or not, we need to see. So for that calculation, what we are doing here, we are specifying a minimum value should be taken from actual path here. Actual path is from I to j. Okay, and we need to calculate the minimum path between actual path and the path which is chosen for intermediate vertex or the intermediate node. Okay, these are the two ways we need to consider. If there lies a direct edge, what happens? We need to see that what the means what is the distance it is having. We need to see that the distance, and we need to know the distance is minimum or the greater than the next one, means I2k and K2j. I2k means here what could be the k value. Since here plotting the k value here is first, means we are not taking the 0 into consideration. Here the k value will be I value and the j value only, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, y. Okay, here I am taking the k value. The first k value here is 1. And now see here what is the value we are taking. I value here. The I value we took here is 1, and then j value we took here is, this is 1, and the j value here we took is 4 ma. Okay, for the 4 first we are calculating. What is the value for 1 to 1? If it is for 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, diagonal elements what we are having, we need to specify it as a 0. Okay, so the 1 to 1 distance is 0. What is the value for 1 to 4? The 1 to 4 here, is there any path? There is no path for 1 to 4. So since it is not having any path for that one, that is a direct edge is not there. What we are doing, we need to specify it as a infinity. From where I took these values? I took these values from the previous one. When here the distance d naught, that is a d to the power of 0, means where the distance matrix what we are taking d to the power of 0, there lies a value which is at the first row and fourth column. See here, first row, this is the first row. At the fourth column, what is the value here? Infinity. Read that value. Next here is D11. At the first row, first column, we are having the value. Read that value from that one. So that is, what is the value here? 0. 0 plus infinity. Infinity comma 0 plus infinity has been, anything you added, anything you means subtracted from that one will be infinity only. So the minimum among this value will be specified as a infinity only. Here try to see the another value. So here the value here is the j value is been updated, and the j value now is 5 here. So for the 5 how we are going to calculate? So we need to traverse 1 to 5 here. There lies an edge between the 1 to 5. See here, and the value here is -4. Represent it as a this one, and then next calculate with the intermediate node. So the intermediate node is 1 here. So we need to calculate the distance from 1 to 1 and then 1 to 5. 1 to 1 means 0 as it is. 1 to 5 means, as we saw that 1 to 5 is having a direct edge from that one. So what it is doing, it is substituting the value to that one. 0 plus -4, -4. -4 comma -4 both are the same. We took this same value as a minimum value. So here then there is no any updation when k is equals to 1 also. And coming to the second one here is, we need to consider the edges here. Which edges I need to has to be calculated for the things what we are using here is, we need to take here the value is 1. but the I value what we are taken here is equals to 2 now. Okay. For what I need to calculate, what are the J values here? If you are considering the J values, the J values could be 2 to 1 is not there. The path is not for 2 to 1. 2 to 2 we not considering. 2 to 3 is not there, but it is having the path for the 4 and 5. So what is the J value you are having? 1 and 3. So self loop is not considered. It is having the two values, and these are not the that is final values. These are the just calculated values. If there lies a minimum path to reach 4 and 5, what you have to do? For the 4, 1 is the that is the minimum one. We can't means decrease that one. 2 to 5 there will be chance, means what it is doing, it will reduce to the another one. Okay. So if there is a chance to reduce this 7 or 8 or 3, what happens here? It reduces and updates the matrix here. And coming to the 2 to 1, here we need to calculate the distance from 2 to 1. Okay. Here 2, 1, if there lies, there is no path for the 2, 1. So what you have to do? We need to substitute the infinity. To calculate the distance from 2 to 1, what you have to do? We need to specify. We need to traverse to the first node. There lies a path 2 to 1, or we need to traverse to the 1 and 1. Okay. So here there is no path from the 2 to 1. Infinity has been considered, plus 0 will be taken into an account, because 1, 1 is a self loop here, and the final answer is infinity. At this point, means you may have the doubt that we are getting infinity value, the values are not updating. At this point, means when we are taking the intermediate node as a 1, there is no chance to update here. But when you are going to the remaining one, we may get the chance to update the values here. Okay. And coming to the next one, 2, 3. 1 has been finished, and go to the 2, 3 here. 3 means if there lies a path, no, infinity has been taken into an account. And coming to the next one, 2 to 3. 2 to 3 means I need to traverse from 2 to 1, and I need to traverse from 1 to 3. Okay. So there lies a path or not, we need to see. Hence, it is having a edge to the 2 to that is 1, 2, 3 also, but it is adding to the infinity now. So there is no change in that value. That is a first representation for that one. So coming to the next one, now the value here is 3. I value here is 3. And coming to the, what are the values we need to calculate for the J? What could be the J here is, it is not having the edge to the 1. There is an edge to the 3. Sorry, 2. 3 we won't consider. 4 is there, and we need to calculate for the 5. So how many values are there? J is having the 2 values. The first one here is the 3, 3, 1. So 3, 1 means calculate 3 to 1, and the next 1 to 1. Mostly, if it is not having the edge, direct edge, in the k equals to 1, the values won't change here. It will be remain as the same. Mostly, not all the time. Mostly, it will be remains infinity only. Where we need to change, where we have to get the value here is, whenever we are getting the edge from this intermediate node, if there lies an edge to this intermediate node, what happens here? It allows you to update the value here. Okay. And coming to the next one. So 3 and then 5. 3 means it is having 1 and 5, which are not to be updated here. And coming to the next one here is, we need to calculate for fourth one. 4 is having only one edge, which is for the 1. So here we need to calculate I value as a 4. We need to calculate J as a 2 and 3. 4 we won't consider. 2, 3, 5 has to specify there. Okay. So here 2, 3, 5 we need to specify in that representation. And there lies also, we need to consider 5 also. 5 is not having the values now. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3 also need to specify. So here we see for the fourth one, there make an updations here. So here if there lies a path from the 4 to 1, means what we are using here for that processing, then means intermediate node will be, if there as I said, if there lies an edge to this intermediate node, then there will be updation in the that is matrix, distance matrix what we are having. So these 3 values will be updated. 2 will be taken into that 4 to 2 consideration. and 5 will be taken into consideration as a 4 to 2. 4 to 3 is 10. 4 to 5, 4 to 4 will be 0. 4 to 5 will be -2. Okay. And coming to the next one, 5, and there is no updations. We are taken as a infinity as a that is final answers here. And see, when k equals to 2, when k equals to 2 means here we need to take the intermediate node as a k. So we traversed it from intermediate node 1. Now see the intermediate node here is, which can be 2, k equals to 2 here. So what are the values we need to consider? Again, see, go to the previous matrix representation. What are the values I need to update here? So here I need to update the value. Here is only one. Here we are having values. Only one value has to be updated, and the other one is the -4. Is there is a possibility of get rid of this -4? What you have to do? We need to discard that -4 and take the minimum distance into an account. So when k equals to 2 and we are using the I value as a 1, we need to calculate the value for 4 or 5. If you need to calculate, if not, we need to consider the 5 will be left there itself. So here we need to replace this 1 4 infinity value with the other one. So here the I value what you have taken here is the 1, and the remaining the j value here is we are having only one value, that is a 4 here. So here 1 to 4 means 1 to 4 we need to calculate, and what we are considering here 1 to 2 and 2 to 4. So this is the path we need to specify. So here we need to take 2 as an intermediate node. So what is the, if there lies a distance that is a edge between 1 and 4, we need to calculate. There is no, since there is no edge, we take this infinity here, and we need to traverse to the 1 to 2, 2 to 4. 1 to 2 there lies a path, that is 3. 2 to 4 there lies a path, but is having an edge cost 1. 3 plus 1, 4. When we compare the infinity and the 4, which is the minimum 4. So the new value for this 1 4 here is 4. Just remember that thing. And coming to the second one, if the second one has been updated or not, we need to see. Since there lies a path or not, we need to. If it is allowing to take the values, means we need to update. If it is not, we need to remember, or we need to process here with this as a infinity only, and go for the second node, which is being calculated with the 2 1. There is no path lies between this 2 1. What happens here? So here it being taken into the infinity as a previous value will be the updated value only. Don't need to update that intersection value here. And coming to the third node is having the minus value. Third node is having the minus value, that is a 5, and the another one here is a 3 5. 3 5 here is a, we need to calculate 3 4 3 5 has to be present, and there is no need to calculate the 3 3. And if you are representing the 3 1 also, if there lies here a path here 3 1, there will be no path here. Why so we are not taking the path here? If you are using the third one as a I, 3 to 2 is there, but there is no path for the 2 to 1. So here what happens? It is unnecessary to calculate the value here. So why we are not including the calculation of the 3 1 means, if we are calculating to that one, I value is 3, and then the j value what you need to consider here is 1. So what happens here? 3 1 means we need to calculate 3 to 2, 2 to 1. There lies a path from 3 to 2, but 2 to 1 there is no path here. So error means we need to reduce the or discard this type of that is processing steps here. 3 to 4 we need to calculate. 3 to 4 means, since there are the 3 2 and 2 to 4 is there. So here the edge what we are having is -5, and then calculated is a +5. So here whatever the value you are taking, whatever the value you are presenting, it should consist of the greater than the value. If you are taking the minimum as that one, so here it won't be updated, because any positive value will compared with the negative means the negative value only be the minimum. So that since we will get the negative value as a minimum only, that's why we will calculate the 1 5 also. And coming to the 3 5, there there lies a path or not, we need to see. If I am traversing from 3 to 2, there lies a path to 2 to 5. So hence what happens here, it allows you to calculate the that is the edge here. So here 3 to 5, there is no edge, infinity, but by traversing through this intermediate vertex 2, I to k, k to j. So here 3 to 2 is 4, 2 to 5 is 7, 4 plus 7, which is equals to 11. The new updated value is 11. Coming to the fourth one. So the fourth one here is the remaining what you are taking. As I said, the remaining values, if there lies a path only, we need to calculate. If not, what you have to do, there is no need to calculate for the remaining one. So here 4, 3 will be available. 4 is having the 4, 3 is having the path is not, we need to see. So if it lies a path, what you have to do, we need to specify that one. If not, we need to stop there itself only. Where I got this value? Where I got this value? 4 to 3, there is not the 4 to 3, if there is any path, no. Where I got this value here? This is got from the distance vector, that is a distance value from the previous one. It is not updated schema. This is the fourth row and third column. The value from this here is a 10. Already it is having the 10 value. If there lies a new value which is the minimum than the 10, what happens here? We need to specify the new value, the updated value into this one. Okay, and we need to update the from where we are getting all these things. The 4 has been updated now. We are reaching the fourth node from the first node. We are by using the which node? 2. 2 has to be specified here. So here, wherever we are inserting new values, 11 is also there. So we are using the parent node as a 2. And then wherever we are taking the new values into an account, what you have to do, we need to specify from which we are reaching to the destination here. Okay, and k equals to 3. K equals to 3 means now the intermediate edge is, sorry, intermediate vertex is 3 here. So here, by using intermediate vertex 3, we need to traverse to that one. I need to update the value, which is the 4. 4 is having the highest value, which is 10. That's now. So here, if you see this one, 10 is now, 10 is there now. What you have to do, we need to update this value or not, we need to see. So here, the value what we are chosen 1 to 4 is a has been specified. 4, what you have to do, if there exists a path or not to see which is having the minimum value. There exists a path by using the 3. If I am reaching 1, 4, I will go for the 1 to 3. 1 to 3 will be there, that is a 8. And 3 to 4, there is a path which is a -1, which reduces my distance. 8 minus 5, which is 3. When compared the 4 comma 3, which will specify as a 3. At this step, at the third one, it is using only one indication as that one. Why here we are taking this one is, there lies a path for the all or not, we need to see. This sense, this is not having the any outcomings to be processed here. What happens here? We are not having the things to be traversed in such a way, and we need to discard all the processings, and we need to give k equals to 3 has only one edge processing. The value has been updated. When k equals to 4, what happens here? It will take as an. When k equals to 4, why we are having this much of processings here is, if you see k is being used using the incoming nodes as a 3, means there are the multiple edges are there which are incoming to this 4, and there will be a chance to update the values here. So if there are chance of updating the values for the first row, there is no until here. So we need to go for the second row. If there is a chance for the updating the second value here, means okay, we can. If not, means if we are getting the infinity as that one only, just don't use that step. Means calculating the infinity won't be processed here. So here, if there is a change in the value only, what happens here? We need to update the value. So the updation here is, here the k value, now the k value here is 4. Okay, represent it as a 4. Now the I value what you are using, first representation, that means the first row has been filled with the values. The second row is not having, means it is using the values, but there is no direct connection for this one. So what happens here? Calculating the values will be waste of the time. And coming to the third one, there lies a path from the 3 to 1. 3 to 1, there is no path. So what I have to do, I need to traverse to 3 to 4, and I have 4 to 1 is there. 4 to 1 path is there. So what I have to do, I need to go for the 3 to 1, which has been specified as this one. So here the path is infinity, but 3, 4 is -1, and then the value here is 2. -5 plus 3 plus 2 is plus 3 value minus 3 value. So since we are having the negative value also, what you have to, we need to include that in the matrix. And coming to 1, 3 to 2. 3 to 2, there is a path or not. There is no path here. What you have to do, we need to calculate from 3 to 2 or the 4 to 2 means there is a path or not, we need to see. So here we need to take the values into an account. So here there is no path from 4 to 2 ma. If you see, there is no path, but you see the previous one. Don't see the graph directly. If you are seeing that directly, you will confuse that there is no edge between these two. How we are processing this one? What I said here, go to the distance matrix with the power 3. So what is the value here? Sorry, what is the value here? For what we are calculating? We are calculating this value for the this one, that is 3 to 2. So here the 4 to 2 is not there. So here we need to see 4 to 2 is there or not. 4 to 2, there is lies a value which is a 5. How I reached this one? I traverse it to this value, that is I am taking this one, it is 1 into the account, 4 to 1, and then next 1 to 2. Then I will have the value that is 5. Okay, so thus 5 has been taken into an account. -5 plus 5 -5 plus 5 has to taken. So from here to here I need to traverse now, here to here, -5 this value, and the calculated value is +5 0. So the minimum distance here is a 0 when compared with the 4 comma, that is 0 here. And coming to the next one, here is a, we need to take the 2 1. 2 1, there lies a path. No, there lies a path up until now. Here by reaching the 2 to 4, and you can go for the first node. So 2 to 4 is 1, 4 to 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, infinity comma 3 is actually it is having the edge cost is infinity. Now the updated here is 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, which is 3. Next one is 2 comma 3. Here also we don't have the path for the 2 comma 3. We need to calculate. 2 comma 3 means 2 to 4, 4 to 3. 2 to 4 means 1. 2 to 4 we are having the 1, but the 4 to 3 here value what you are having, by using the first node we reached the 3. 4 to 2, 4 to 1, 1 to 3, 2 plus 8, 10. So 1 plus 10 is 11. The updated value here is 11. 2 comma 3, there lies an edge which is 11. And 2 to 5, 2 to 5 here is, we need to consider the value which is 2 to 5, we are having the value direct edge which is 7. 2 to 4 we are reaching, and 4 to 5. So how I reached 4 to 5 here? 4 to 1, 7. Sorry, 4 to 1, 2, and 1 to 5 we have been taken. So 4 minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 means minus 2. So 1 plus minus 2, which is -1. 2, 5 is having the value which is the negative value -1. Likewise for the fifth one. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 is always also there, and we need to calculate the value for that is next one, which is we are having, that is fifth one is a 0 here. Why we until now we didn't calculate the fifth node value? Why here is there lies a path between the 5 to 4. There is a lies means what happens here, it allows you to take the updations in that value. Okay, 5 to 1. So here the value here is infinity. First one, 5 to 1 means 5 to 4, 4 to 1. 5 to 4 is 6. Then 4 to 1 means the 4 to 1 value we are taken as a 2 into an account. Okay. If you see this one, 4 to 1 is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Minimum value, and then here is infinity comma 8. The minimum value be taken as a 8. And 5 to 2. 5 to 2 means 5 to 4, 4 to 2. 5 to 4 value is there. 5 to 4 value is 6. Okay. 4 to 2, we calculated the value, which is 5. Means from 4 to 1, which is 2. 1 to 2, which is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 6 plus 5, 11. And the next minimum distance from that one is considered as 11 among the infinity. And 5, 3. 5, 3 here is 5 to 4, 4 to 3. 5 to 4 here is 6. 3 to 4 here been, sorry, 4 to 3 has been considered as a 10. If you see this one, okay. So here the value has been 16. Now we fill all the values here. We fill, there is no such value for the processing here, but we need to see whether these values are the final one or not. We need to see. So if any updations has to be done, we need to specify here. K equals to 5 here means fifth node. The node what we are taking has been taken into the fifth node here. Whenever we are reaching to this, we are having the incoming nodes to that one also from 1 and 2. So here 1 to 5 is there. There is no need to update the 1 to 5 value here, because if you are taking 1 to 5 or 5 to 1, what happens here is the value will be infinity, or the value will be -4 only. Infinity -4. So the minimum value here is -4. We will take the -4 as a final one. 2 to 5. 2 to 5 here is how we are going to process with this one. If the 2 to 5, what we are considering here, the value is the, you are considering is the 7. So since it is having the 2, 5, the value, what is the 2, 5 value here is -1 has to be specified. If you see, the updations has been done here, that is -1. So 2, 5 value is -1 and 5, 5 distance is not there. So what the value we are getting? -1. We need to update the value. What is the value here? We need to update the value with the other one or not, we need to see. So if there is a chance of updating, we will update, but the new one and the old one or the same values, they need to update the values. And coming to the next one, which is 2, 3. 2, 3 means there lies a path or not, we need to see. 2 to 3, 2 to 5, 5 to 3. So how we are going to process this one? We need to consider whether this is there lies a path or not, we need to see. So first consider 2, 3. 2, 3 there lies a path. First see, there is no path directly, but we reach it to that one by using the intermediate nodes. So here likewise we are calculating the values into that consideration. So here the values what we have chosen for processing here is 2, 3, which by using that one, we show I need to traverse to 2 to 5 and 5 to 3 here. Okay. Now the value here is already we are having the value is 11. Now the value here is 15. Among that one, 11 is there is a minimum one. And 3 to 5, 3 to 5 we don't have the value, and 3 to 5 means directly we don't have the value. Previously we calculated -7 plus 0. Among that we are having the value that is a -7 only. Okay. If there any updations has been done, update that one. If not, what happens there? We need to leave that there only. So we are, if we found the minimum value, we are updating now. So after the updations, we need to fill all the values with the representative, means if it is a negative or a positive, we don't need to consider anything. So if it is a negative or positive, what you have to do, we need to represent the matrix weight there itself only. And see, the diagonal elements will be 0 and the remaining has to be filled other than infinity. We can't say that other than 0 means sometimes it will be considered as a 0 also. So here what happens here? So in this example, the null values will be taken as a diagonal one and the remaining values has to be filled with the general weights. General weights means it could be negative, it could be positive or 0. And the remaining to the parent node, the parent node considerations, the diagonal elements will be null. That is nil means there is no path to reach that one, and the remaining has to be filled by the respective parents. So if you see, the most of the elements has having the parent that is a 4. 4 is being chosen for the processing the values here, because it is being consideration for the, it is reaching the many values here. Okay. So this is the example for the Floyd-Warshall or the all-page shortest path algorithm. This now means Floyd-Warshall is one of the algorithm we are using for processing. That is not the only algorithm we are using for the processing. Coming to this one, apart from this all specifications what we are having, means if you want to take these calculations to be done, we will do that one manually. If you want to do here is what you need to do. So take this as a D0. We know that D0, D0, D1, D2, D4 up to D4 here. Why? Because we are having how many vertices? Four vertices. D4 has been taken into an account. And here, this is the final, this is the initial one. Whenever we are getting an edge, we are adding edge to that one. Because by seeing the this distance matrix, sometimes we will confuse. Now, if there is an edge that lies here, try to update that one. Okay, so the intermediate node is 1. So the first one will be 0, diagonal will be 0, remaining will be infinity other than the edges. Okay, first one is a 1. So here we are choosing the 1. So 2 to 1 and then next 2 to 3. 2 to 1, 2 to 3 has to be taken. Or 1 to 1, 1 to 3 has to be taken. We need to see. So if there lies a path or not, we need to consider. So here D1. 1 means first row and then first column we need to take. By using the first one, are you reaching to the remaining or not, we need to see. So I specified the updated values here, 12 and 15. So the 12 and 15 means this one is 3, 2. 3, 2 here is, there lies a path from 1 to 2. And then there lies a path from 2 to 3 or not, we need to see. So likewise, we are manually, we are updating the values here, and updating the values will be added into that one. So here by updating that one, we are getting the edges, additional edges, and these additional edges, what we are being added to this one for the processing. So here, if you see, we didn't use any negative values here. So we used only the positive values for the processing. Hence, we won't get any negative values for the processing representation. We won't include these as a general weights. This is an example for the non-negative edge cost. So here, when we need to processing this one, there lies a path or not, we need to see. So here 1 to 4 is there, and then next 1 to 2 is there. So by using this one, am I able to reach the remaining one or not? We need to see. So here, how I am going to reach this one is 3 to 1, 1 to 2. 3 to 1 is 4 ma. 1 to 2 is 2. Sorry, 8. So the value here is 12. Okay. 3 to 1 is 4. 1 to 4 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the new edges has been added. And coming to the next one here is the intermediate node is 2. So many edges has been there. So here, if you need to update the value, we can update. So there is no any updations here, means simple we will infinity has been considered. So here 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 8 plus 1, 9. And then next one here is 4 to 2, 2 to 3, which is the 4, 3. That is the value here is we are taking 2 and then the value 1. So the value is 9 here. We are updating the value with this 3. The value lies is 9. We are taking the value here is 3. So likewise, we update the values and we specify the matrix as having the minimum distance for each and every one. So that's about the all shortest path algorithm, which is using the general weights and the non-negative edge cost for the processing. And we have to use this calculations by using the distance formula what we are having. Distance formula means which is nothing but calculate the distance by using the intermediate vertex and take the direct edge. Just compare these two. Which is the minimum, we need to take that one. If not, what you are having, if you are not having value, specify it as a infinity. That's all. At last, we need to specify all the stun has to be updated by some value, apart from the diagonal one. Okay, that's about this class, ma. Thank you.